welcome to week 6 of Sparkle Addiction. I can't believe we're already at week 6. It is absolutely crazy, but I am wanting to show you what I have done so far on my fairy. I think that she is gorgeous, and I am having so much fun with this one. I've gotten quite a bit done. I have added so much bling to her. It's hard to see in the camera, but all of her hair is blinged up, and I'm working now. I finished her neck, and I am now going to start working on her dress. I didn't bling much up around here because that was skin. I thought that would look kind of funny. I don't like to bling skin up, but I have started the top of her dress, and then all of this down here will be blinged up. So I've gotten quite a bit done, but I think that my favorite is this top part. All of this is heavily blinged up, and that I think just looks absolutely stunning. I'm having so much fun blinging this. I hope that you guys are as well. So I really only have this part to go, and I should be able to get these 2 sections done by the end of the week. Probably 2 more rows here. I'll just have 2 left. I'm kind of taking my time on this one because I want to savor this. I'm just having so much fun with it. And also I'm working on my Christmas Advent, and so that's taking up a lot of time as well, but I just don't want to get her finished yet. So I'm kind of slowing down on this so that way I can just savor it until the end of December. And what you all are waiting for, I am sure, is to see what our draw is going to be for next week. And that is going to be another gorgeous pin from Lathan Mysteries. This one has a purple tone to it, and it has all the sparkles inside. And also you will receive a, that's not focusing very well, that's better. You will also receive a pack of Randa's Crafty Corner Putty. And I also included a pack on the last pin that was given away. We are going to use for the code for this upcoming week, let's use Holly, Holly, and that's in all lowercase. And I will draw the winner next week. So make sure that you have your sentence in with the word Holly in by next Monday. And then I will draw on Wednesday. So now let's go over and see who won last week's Calming Canvas gift certificate. It is time for another random draw. So this was for last week's. It was for a $25 gift certificate to Calming Canvas, and I have put in the video link. I'm going to select a filter, and that's going to be a keyword, and that keyword last week was bling, B-L-I-N-G. I'm not going to allow duplicates. There were 24 comments, and here is the winner. It is Stephanie Singletary 4908. And she says, I have always loved extra bling, and now that I have learned I can add extra bling to my diamond paintings, I'm addicted. It makes diamond painting just that more fun. So congratulations, and if you will contact me via my email, I will go ahead and get this set up for you. Congratulations to the winner, and if you didn't win this time, you still have plenty of chances. To make sure you head over to Angie's video and check and see if you won there. Also, be sure to continue checking with Facebook. We are having weekly games and prizes there, and you can win there as well. Until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.